Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Noori's Indian Life. My name is Noori and I am from India. In this channel, I'll share my daily life, Indian food, my home, my garden, and our beautiful culture. Thank you for joining me. Let's start today's vlog. This is our cow. Cow food is available here. A beautiful butterfly in our garden. We also have pet rabbits at home that my kids love. This is what my garden looks like. The weather here is rainy right now, as you can see. Everyone in our family loves the cow very much and takes great care of her. The rainy weather is here. We get a lot of rainfall in India during July and August. This is my first vlog. I hope you understand and support me.